All right, TikTok, I'm gonna take this very slow, right? I'm gonna show you guys how I set up my charts Sunday night to get ready for Monday. Not only my charts, but I just gather as much information from the market as possible. So this is the sauce. We have a nice clean chart. I got my Forex Factory up for my noon, and I'm also gonna be analyzing Market Beat. So if you wanna do this, you need Market Beat, Forex Factory, and your chart. I get organized first. I put on US 30, what I'm trading, the date, Sunday. I put the date because I have to, come back and look and see what happened, see if I was right or wrong. Market analysis, my bias. At the end of this analysis, I want to know, am I long or short this week? First thing, go to your calendar. Oof, this week is gonna be a mother beep. God damn. All right, this is going to be an extensive, long video, so this is what I want you to do, all right? Click on the first one, boom. Write down all the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Don't trade Friday. Go back to the charts, click on the first news event, open a folder. You could read this, but the likelihood is you're not going to understand it. So we're going to go over here to my friend, Mr. ChatGPT. He's going to break it down for us. All right, so let's break this down together. The article provides information about flash manufacturing PMI for the US dollar. The actual value of the flash manufacturing PMI is 46.1. So I'm going to write that down. I meant 46.1. Sometimes I'm just moving too fast. 46.1. Don't worry if you don't know what this means yet. We're going to get to it. So this is the value now. This is the number it's at right now, 46.1. But of course, as I said, you have no idea what that means. All you need to figure out is if that number goes up or down, what's market sentiment? If it goes up, is that good? If it goes down, is that bad? We're going to find out right now. So economists are forecasting it to be 46.3. So right now it's 46.1. Experts are saying it's going to be 46.3. So the guys in the know think that this number is going to go up. Whatever the fuck PMI is. I know what it is, but I'm acting as you. So they think it's going to go up. Is that good or bad? The flash manufacturing PMI is a diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers in the manufacturing industry. A value above 50.0 indicates industry expansion. So there we go. If an industry is expanding, that means there's money coming in that has to be good for the economy. So now we have a basis, right? We know up is good, down is bad. So, all right. So if it's at 46.1 now, and the experts in the know think it's going to go to 46.3, more than likely, the experts are bullish on the market. So all you need to know, PMI up, good, down, bad. While a value below indicates contraction. Contraction is just a big word for getting smaller. You see, that's what I'm saying about Forex. And they use these really complicated words just to I don't know why they do it. It's fucking stupid. Traders are interested in this indicator because it's a leading indicator of economic health. Yeah, all right, cool, perfect. All right, so tomorrow when Flash PMI comes out at 9:45 a.m., we got our little notes here. We know up is good, down bad. Goes down, probably want to take shorts, but still we have to evaluate the whole market, see what's going on. So, boom. So if I was a new trader, I'd go over to my chart, grab a line, vertical line. So we're going to go here at 9:30, put a line. Add an alert, maybe flash PMI, paste. We do it a little bit earlier, 9:30, so that we could be, in case you're out somewhere or in bed, you could jump on it. You get an alert on your phone and say, yo, I gotta go check out. Market's about to open. So this is how I set it up. In the message, I put flash PMI, what it is. Up, the number up equals good. Good is longs. Number down, bad. Bad is shorts. All right. Number now is 46.1. The big wigs, you know what I'm saying? The economists think it's going to 46.3, which is good. So the economists are bullish and create. But we also have some news right here. This is for today. Is it today? Yeah, today. Boom. Click on blah, 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 blah. All right, so check this out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, these bullet points I'm talking about right here. We're going to go through each bullet point and say whether it's positive or negative for the economy. This is going to affect the market tomorrow, so we'll see. So there are 8 bullet points. We're going to go through and read them and see what they say. Number one, U.S. stock futures remain steady on Monday ahead of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision and upcoming corporate earnings reports. It's a little neutral, but it's good. It's not down, so it's good. I would say up. Number two, last week the Dow and S&P 500 saw gains of 2%, 0% respectively, while the NASDAQ composite lost 0.57. Now, to an amateur trader, this will be hard to interpret, but this is good. Think about it like this. So the Dow and the S&P, 2%, 0.69% up. It's only this asshole here that lost 0.57. But these two guys got his back. Overall, the market still comes out a winner. It's kind of like when you play basketball against another team and you have one player that kind of sucks, like the short guy, but you guys still win the game. They still won the game. So I would mark that as plus, positive, positive. Positive earnings results and easing U.S. inflation, blah, 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 blah. Earnings up. It's looking real bullish for tomorrow. This doesn't have anything to do with tomorrow. The Federal Reserve is expected to raise rates by quarter point during the meeting on Wednesday. So I'll make a note here for Wednesday. Watch out for the feds. Boom. Bullet point number 4, the Dow Jones Industrial Average extended its winning streak, blah, 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 0.7%. Good. 4, good. Then this asshole Tesla came in. The NASDAQ composite slipped because of Tesla. Bullet point number 5, negative. Then we have Lockheed Martin, 2% decline. The company will deliver, I don't care about any of this. Negative. Sorry, there's only 6, not 8. So here's what we've compiled for tomorrow. Let's just focus on tomorrow, not the whole week. Let's just do tomorrow because this video is getting too long. We know that PMI is coming out. It's at 46.1. The big wigs think it's going to go up. They think the economy is doing well. Dow's up. S&P's up. That's good. The only two assholes in the scenario is Tesla and the NASDAQ. So think about it like this. Let's say I'm going to go fight some guy and I bring 10 of my friends. And then they bring 2. Who's going to win the fight? My team. I'm the Bulls. They're the Bears. So tomorrow, I am fucking long as hell. I might hit buy as soon as 9:30 hits. Well, no, we got to wait for 9:45. PMI, we don't know what PMI is. But it's probably going to be positive because the economists think it is. So now that we know this good news, what are we going to do? We're going to go hop in the charts and look for long positions, look for TPs. We could take a look at these, though. I forgot about these. This one has 13 bullet points. 13 bullet points. I'm going to just go through them real quick and I'll tell you after. Basically, this says S&P's up. Dow Jones is having a breakout this week. Health, energy, and financials, especially financials is very important, is up. Johnson & Johnson showed great quarterly reports. Energy's up. Tech is down. Tesla's down. What's up, man? Netflix and AT&T are down. Quarter 2 earnings up. All right. This one right here is important. There's something called a year-to-date performance. That's YTD. You might have seen it around it. Where if you ever read something and see YTD, that's year-to-date. Let me show you what that means. January. And this is July. Year-to-date. Year-to-date means right now. At the beginning of the year, all the stocks, the markets, all the different companies go on a race. But in this race, speed is equal to gains. How much money they're making. How much did their stock go up? And every now and again, they give us an update on the race. They say who's in first place, who's in second place, who's in third place. Year-to-date performance shows tech as the best performing. So tech. First place, we have tech. Right behind him is communications and discretionary. If you don't know what discretionary is, go look it up. This video is getting too long. So this is just good to know overall. It tells you which markets are doing really, really well. The third one, we have 1 minute left. Already read all that for you. Positive, 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 labor, I forgot what that is, negative, blah, 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 blah. So we read 3 news articles that has to do with the US dollar. This one, long. This one, long. This one right here, long. It's looking real long. I'm going to have to do part 2 on this video. Sorry, it's so long, but I'm going to make it right now. We're going to go on the charts.